Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable Automations with AI text generation step by step clearly. Open your Airtable base where you want to set up the automation. Click on the Automations tab located in the top menu. Select Create an Automation to start a new automation workflow. Choose a trigger for the automation, such as when a record is created or when a record is updated. Configure the trigger according to your needs, selecting the specific table and any filter conditions if necessary. Click on Add Action to define what the automation will do after the trigger occurs. From the action types, select Run a script to integrate AI text generation. In the script editor, write a script that uses an AI text generation model. Make sure your script correctly references the input fields from your Airtable records. You can use API calls to an AI service like OpenAI for text generation within your script. Store the generated text in a variable so you can use it later in the automation. After running your AI text generation script, you may want to add another action. Select Update Record to save the generated text back to your Airtable base. Choose the table and specify the record you want to update, using dynamic values from the trigger. Map the generated text variable to the appropriate field in your Airtable base. Test your automation by triggering it according to the conditions you set. Check if the AI-generated text appears in the specified field as intended. Once confirmed, toggle the automation to On to activate it. Monitor the automation to ensure it performs as expected over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.